Oh, okay. It's Vicky here, sporting a new look, and I'm going to talk to you about something called Lonely Screen. It's a really good app. It's a lot of fun. You can play games with your students, and also if you use a supplementary reward system, you can also use it for that. So without any other ado, let's go ahead and go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Let's watch Lonely Screen already in progress.
It's apple. Apple.
Apple, good.
Apple.
Oh, A. Oops. Apple. Apple. Oh no, E. P. L. E. Apple. Oh, look, you got 35. Oh, wow, look at all the stars. You got 85 stars. Wow, very good. Okay, so this is Lonely Screen, and it's over here. Let's bring it up. You just download it from lonelyscreen.com, obviously, and it is actually an application put out by MLGard, I believe that's the name, which makes ManyCam. Okay, I usually make it about this big. Okay, it's going to say subscribe now. There is a subscription rate if you want to pay for it. It's only about $15, but if you don't want to do that, we'll stick with the free trial. They'll maybe later, which I've had it for a while, never seems to bother you, so maybe later, maybe never. Okay, and down here it'll say Lonely Screen. You can change it to whatever you want. And now let's look at our phone. Okay, so you bring up your phone and just go to. Okay, so we bring up your phone here. There's my 3 grandchildren. Aren't they gorgeous? These are twins. And anyways, anyhow, so let's go and to the settings here. Well, not settings. All you have to do is swipe up. Okay, when you say it says here screen mirroring, it may say AirPlay. You just touch that, and then you go over to Vicky's screen, or it might say Lonely Screen, whatever you named it. Hit the end button once, and then go over to whatever app that you'd like to mirror. I'm going to mirror something. It's called Close-Up Pics. I think it's a really great, fun game for the kids. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's a surprise. Okay, alrighty, so let's have a look at it. There we go, and let you try and guess what it is. So what do you think it is, kids? It's something you eat. Monkeys like it. It starts with a B, and then you can get them to, try and spell it. They're yelling out banana, banana, and a lot of them, they know how to spell it. It's not that hard. And then this is when you get your prize. And they love it when the stars start falling. You'll see, there we go. Got 141 stars. Wow, that's simply awesome. And what's this? Tiger? By then, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Insomniac Corner. Bye now.